This is crazy, guys. Now, as we predicted, we have our explosion for GME and AMC. We're gonna talk about the prices and the rejection level that we gonna expect before we end this session in this week. So without further ado, blast the like button and let's get right to it. Look with me, this is crazy, guys. What happened? We go and we explode from our resistance level, as I told you, here around the $1.88. And the moment that we exploded from this, guys, we have a beautiful test here. Then we have this candle and a gap today, pre-market. And guess what? We went to our resistance, the strongest resistance, as I told you, even before, at 250, and that's why we got rejected and we got down before. I talked about even before, guys, when we did this jump. I told you guys the most important resistance level is around the 250. That's why when we did this massive jump, we got down and we consolidated around this level. Now we saw a bit of healthy test right now for 250 and went even down to 230 after we test this level that I warned you about, guys. We went to 248 and now we retrace back and we held a bit. So the idea is now, what should you do like in this kind of scenario? In this kind of scenario, guys, we're gonna see a retracement. This is really healthy to see the price get rejected around this level. We might see a test again around the 230 before we go even above to have a momentum to take us up. And this is really one of the things that GameStop do always, like the jump that we did today, even pre-market, was crazy really good. Even the volume is like I can see here is been exploding at the moment of the bell's ring, and now we're still holding and we never go below to test the 220, the resistance. This is really good. So be careful from this level, because here we saw a bit of gap. So around this gap we're gonna see a test, maybe if we never gone above the 250 by today or tomorrow. We gonna see a consolidation around the 220. So never panic if we go here, and this is normal because our exponential average is coming up and it will act as a support here. Then we're gonna bounce. Then this time if we just close above the 250, we're gonna see the 300 and more for GME. So this is the technical what I could predict for GME. And be careful from the 330, because here we're gonna see a second rejection and a bit retracement back a bit here around this level. So you see how much big jump that we're gonna see. If we just explode them to 250, we're gonna see we're gonna have 33% up again, wait to be made if we just go above this resistance level. Let's go to AMC. And AMC went to all-time high. As we told you guys, we're gonna see a bit of rejection around the 20, and before the 20 we still fighting around the 1950. And this is more stronger for AMC than GME, because we don't have a consolidation, we don't have a rejection as a GME, but we tested an all-time high around the 20, and this is the psychological level for explosion. So be careful, guys. Around this level we're gonna see a bit of rejection. If we just clear the 20, guys, here, if we just clear this level, guys, the all-time high, be careful, we might see a big wick, then a rejection, and then we go back at this support. And this is we're gonna test, guys. There's a test gonna happen. If we get rejected here, we're gonna test this level in coming days at 1675. Just remember this price, because here we're the load. If we got rejected here, we're gonna see a load up here and a big buying pressure here, and we should hold this level, because if we don't hold it, we're gonna go back around the $13 again, or $14, and we hold the $14. If we just don't hold the 16, we're gonna see a consolidation again around the $14 if we never go past the all-time high around the 20. So be careful from this level, and if you want to see explosion and the price even go to 40, yeah, it might, but we need a confirmation candle to close above here. Then you could actually just put a stop loss around the 19 or 1930, just in case if the price go below, because it will test the 16 if we get a fake out. But wait for confirmation above the 20 and closing candle here to confirm that we're gonna see a higher high for AMC and going to the moon, as everybody will say. So this is the prices for AMC, GameStop. Put the prices, guys, in a notepad so you never forget about the prices and you act upon them when you see those kind of levels. So you can average down or you sell at that at those prices and you take a profit to be ready to have to buy back the share on this lower price. That's how the market maker do. They just sell high, buy low, and never have emotion. And a lot of people will say hold and this is it. Choose your strategy. If you want to hold, by all means, just use it. If you want hold at the same time to average down at the right prices, because the price realistically can go up every time there's a consolidation gonna happen. So the best deal is to sell a bit, like 20-30%, take a bit of profit, then use this profit to buy it again at the lower prices. Even you're a long holder, just there's a kind of strategy for everybody. So see yourself, are you a long holder? Are you have money every time so you can add at each dip? If you have, this is good, you just buy at any dip. But if most of people can't actually buy at every dip, so the best is to sell a bit at the resistance level to buy at the support level, as I show you here. So guys, if you like the video, plus the like button, and always daily video with me, Trading Jesus. Always solo to be patient and hunt for right price value. No BS at my channel, straight to the information. So without further ado, let's get ready to hunt. See you guys in the next video.